Wanna run tasks in the background without blocking the main thread? Here's how to use Kotlin Coroutines. Super simple. So first up, in this video, I'm just simply going to use Kotlin Playground. But you can also use IntelliJ in order to implement this code. So let's get straight to it. Now I'm heading towards Playground right here. Now you can just simply copy this code, and I'm just going to explain how this code works. Now first up, you need to import Kotlin Add Coroutines. It's the magic behind lightweight threading. Wrap your main code in one blocking. You can see one blocking right here. Now this lets us use suspended functions like delay even in main. Use launch parentheses, use launch curly brackets to start a new coroutine. This is like launching a task without freezing your main thread. Inside it, we use delay parentheses 1000 to simulate a pause or background task. And the best part, the coroutines are super efficient. Unlike threads, they don't take much memory and they are easy to manage. And that's it. Your first coroutine running. So simply click on run in order to run it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.